Hi guys, so to start this video, we're gonna take out the door panel. But we've already done this on the rear door panel. Yeah, it's dirty. Yeah, dirt does get in here. So yeah, we've taken out this one and I've bonded it already. So with this one, you just take out 2 screws. That's just below the hold thingy where you put your hand, and it's right out. For this one, it's a little bit different. There's a clip right here, so we're just gonna roll the window down and take this out from here, and then unscrew the 2 screws, which is one here and one there, and this should come right off. As you can see, this is what we're fixing. Doesn't work no more. So it broke from the inside, so that's what we're fixing. Yeah, so we're just gonna get right along with it and open this door panel. Hi guys, you join me with the door panel removed. There's a lot of videos. I'm gonna put a video up on the description of the one that I saw to remove this door panel. But yeah, we removed it, took out the broken tab from here, and now I'm gonna show you the door panel. So yes, this is the door panel. This is the broken part. It broke from over there. This is where it's supposed to go. So yeah, we're gonna put that back with some magic glue, maybe. Yeah. Let's call it magic glue. Alright guys, this is the magic glue I'm talking about. JB Weld plastic bonder. So I've already done it on this rear door. Ooh, don't fall now. There it is. We've tucked it. We've done all we can. I think that's strong enough to hold. I think we wanted to solder some wire in there to hold it and make it even stronger, but I think the JB Weld will hold just because of what we've seen on this one. So we're gonna repeat the process on this one. So if you go to Mercedes Benz for this problem, they will say you need to buy a whole new door panel. I think they charged us about 15,000 for this new whole door panel. If you check online, there's a kit for the door handle. I'm sure I'll put an edit of it. You can either get it on Temu or even on Takealot. It's there. I think on Temu it's around 200 and something, but there's gonna be shipping and stuff, so I think you're gonna pay around 400, if not 300 and something. Takealot, it's like 600 and something. So if you buy it there, you're gonna need to take out most of these things. This top part will come out, and then you'll be able to remove that. So yeah, I didn't want to go through that whole process, so I just got the JB Weld plastic bonder, and see if this doesn't work, I'll make another video showing that it failed. Actually, if you're watching this channel 2 years later and there's no video of me redoing this, then it worked. It worked, and it's still going strong. But yeah, I just think this stuff will work, because it worked perfectly on the rear door there. So let's get to it. Alrighty, before we mix the glue, we're just gonna sand this parts down, just here and here, around there, so that the glue can stick to the actual plastic, not because the plastic usually is a little bit varnished. I don't know what they call it, but whatever makes it shiny is supposed to come off. So I bought sandpaper, but I think it's 800 grit. It's not that harsh. bit, and then just sand it. As you can see, it looks a little bit roughish in there, and it's not coming out perfectly on the camera, but yeah, I'm gonna do a little bit more of the sanding off camera, and then yeah, I'm gonna do more of the sanding here, and then I'll get back to you guys when I'm putting mixing up the glue and putting it on. Alrighty, let's get to the glue. Well, yeah, that's open. I'm just gonna do it here. That will be enough. All the goes. Just close it. And that's that. Let's mix this up. As you can see, we already mixed for the rear door, so we just have to mix with this door. I think that's enough mixing. Yeah, that's enough mixing. Someone's like, no, you're doing this to our bands. As long as the door open. And this is enough mixing. So I'm gonna put some here. Urakusua. So I'm gonna put some there. Alrighty, and then I'm gonna put some on the handle itself. Alrighty. And now I just have to keep it in place because I don't have any vice grips or anything to keep it in place for the next like 3 minutes. That's what it takes to just get it to hold. So yeah. Alright guys, we finished yesterday, but I didn't get a chance to shoot or take photos because the car had to go somewhere, so I had to put back everything. But things you should take note of, when you apply the glue the first time, as I did, you apply just a little bit so that the broken piece can attach to the one that's left here, this one. And just make sure you have something, or you can hold it yourself for like 10 minutes so that it holds to this part. And then once it's held to this part, after the duration they indicated on that thing, which is about 15 to 30 minutes, you then apply more on the remaining part. I'll put a little bit of pictures that I get from the video that I shot, but I'm sure you saw from the rear door that I showed earlier on the video. So just make sure you do it that way, because the glue runs, and when the glue runs, it sticks. So just make sure that's something you should be mindful of as well, that you should be making sure the glue is not running inside here or inside there, because when it sticks, that door won't open. It will stick it shut. So as it's drying, just make sure you go to the door and tug it and see if it's opening the full length it used to before. So those are just two things you should take note of, that you shouldn't use a lot of the glue in the beginning, that when you do use more of it, it doesn't run and cause the handle not to fully open, because it did do that on me. So if it does it on you, you just need what's that gun called? Oh yeah, you'll just need a soldering iron. That's what I used. I used the soldering iron just to melt the glue, and yeah, because it would this handle was sitting like this because there was a lot of glue behind the door, so it couldn't close, couldn't be flush like this. It was sitting like that, so I had to solder the glue that was in there, and then now it's perfect. So yeah, that's it for this one. Someone will be like, it'll break. Well, if it does, I'll make another video showing that it broke. That thing looks very strong, and it felt strong. We tugged at the one on the rear door, and yeah, we didn't see why it would break. So yeah, this is another way you guys can do it. It's either that, or you go get it from Mercedes Benz for 15K, which is this whole door panel, or you get the replacement kit from Temu or Take a Lot. And I did mention on Temu, I think it's like 200 and something. and take a lot. I think it's 600 if not 800, but I'll just put an edit there to show how much it is in this current recording of the video. But yeah, I think this is an easier solution. Let me know in the comments if it works for you guys. If you're watching this video, it means it's late. This thing is broken. Sadly. I'm so sorry, but you're gonna be okay. So I'm gonna put links of the videos I watched to remove the door panel. It's particularly very easy. No clips were broken when we took out all 3 of them in this car. They were very strong and sturdy. So yeah, all the best, and catch you guys on the next video. Side note, don't forget to put glue on the rear side of the handle. I'll show the part that I mean on, like, yeah, on an insert there, because if I can find it, because you put it all over the front of the handle and the rear part will not have any glue. So don't forget to put some on the rear as well, where it's, yeah, it's a little bit of obstructed, but try by any means to get maybe something that can get glue there, so that the glue is holding the full entirety of the handle, or the place that it was broken or cracked.